Hi guys, Doc Heps here. So has anybody ever totally freaked out on me and just left during the vasectomy? Well, I'll give you my experience, so thanks for watching. Hey guys, Doc Heps here with UroCoach. So the question is, have I ever had anybody just totally freak out, get up and leave during the vasectomy procedure? Well, I'll give you some guidance as to what to expect during the vasectomy so you don't get too freaked out, and I appreciate you watching. Also, stay tuned for my tips and tricks about how best to go into a vasectomy towards the end. So, number one, yes, I've had guys freak out during a vasectomy, but typically they weren't prepared, and by watching this video, I'm sure you'll be perfectly prepared to do the right thing and get your vasectomy procedure. So it's normal to be super anxious about getting a vasectomy, but ultimately they want to do the right thing, and they know that getting the vasectomy is a lot less risky than their wife or girlfriend going in and getting a relatively significant procedure. If you were totally relaxed and no bit of anxiety, I think that's kind of weird. It's normal to be a little anxious about going in and having a procedure done that's life-changing. So I've had guys that were police officers, FBI agents, and they're nervous as heck. They have no problems rushing into a crime-ridden area or a drug den, but when it comes to getting a vasectomy, they're freaking out. So my first step is to say, this is normal. It's normal to be a bit anxious when you come in and have your procedure. So here are some tips and tricks about how I get guys to relax for the procedure. Number one, I always have them come in and we give them a counseling session and do an exam as an initial visit. So he has an opportunity to ask questions. I can get to know him. We do an exam and I give him a sense of what to expect. And at that point, we can understand whether he's going to be super anxious about it or not. So for example, if you know getting blood drawn really makes you anxious and you get nauseated and feel woozy, you may benefit from something like a Valium, which is a muscle relaxant and anti-anxiety agent prior to undergoing the procedure. But if you have no problems with that kind of stuff, then you'll do fine with a local anesthetic. Usually most guys, the worst part is just that initial anesthetic injection, the local anesthesia. I tell guys, it's like a shot of tequila, then it just mellows out after that first 30 seconds. So what happens is once we identify the vas deferens doing the exam, we'll give you that local. After, like I said, half a minute to 60 seconds, you're usually good to go. I tell guys, bring in your headphones, watch something on your phone, a video, whatever makes you comfortable and relaxed. Alternatively, we'll just play some music in the office and talk you through it. And again, most guys do really well. So here are my tips and tricks about relaxing and getting through the vasectomy procedure. Number one, know your body. Know that it's normal to be anxious about undergoing a procedure. If every time you draw blood or have a minor procedure done, go to the dentist's office, you really struggle, then ask your urologist to prescribe you some medication that may relax you. Alternatively, if you know you're just going to be totally out of sorts prior to the procedure, you may benefit from a little sedation, and occasionally guys will request this. Remember, you're already a hero for just showing up, and the risks, even with going through a light sedation of vasectomy, is a lot less than your wife, girlfriend undergoing a relatively major procedure. Our goal is to make it as comfortable and rewarding an experience as possible. So yes, people freak out during a vasectomy. It's normal to be anxious. You're going to do great. And I think you're doing an awesome job just for signing up for the vasectomy in and of itself. My name's Doc Heps. Thanks for watching. subscribe to our channel, check out our other videos. I think you'll really enjoy our library.